welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea. This is video 7 today. This is, oh, is it 8? No, this is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is 8. And for this one, I'm a bit torn because I've got a few that I want to do and I'm not going to be able to fit them in because there's more than 12. But anyway, this is the felt pom-pom garland. This is £1.50. And if you're not sure what I'm doing 12 videos today, back to back. I did a haul yesterday of some stuff I got from the works, and that included a stack of kids craft kits, which are £1.50, and I've been making something up from one of them every hour on the hour today, and they're just fab. Lots of different sort of skills involved, and yeah, my favourite one so far is this one. I love this one, and I quite enjoyed the stocking as well. It does say ho 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 on it in glitter glue, it's not dry yet. Right, so I'll move all those out of the way and just go back and look at them all because they're all here now. So for the pom-pom garland, does it give us any instructions? There's no instructions. Ooh. So we just have to go it alone with this one then. So we get lots of leaves. There's not even a picture of what it's supposed to look like. Ooh. So we get a little needle in here, which is similar to some of the needles we've got in other packs before. And I suppose we thread up the yarn. This makes a garland that's approximately 2 meters and 70 centimeters. So I've just tied that pom-pom on, and then I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to thread, like, just go through and thread on the leaves, I guess. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sew the leaves on. These holes are here for a reason. So I'm going to pop that in and thread that through and just keep going until I'm at the end, and then just do a pom-pom, and then just do maybe a couple of leaves. I just think it needs some instructions on how to do it, really, and it's definitely not 2.5 meters long. So I don't know whether those leaves are supposed to be stitched sideways. I have no idea, and unfortunately there's nothing to tell me. So, and I'm afraid this is going to have to be my garland. Now this is probably the easiest of the projects to do, but yet not having any instructions negates. So I think however you want to do that is going to have to be okay. I think maybe that everything should be threaded right through. Maybe these do go together, I don't know, but it does look cute all the same. It's cute all the same. So however it's meant to go. That's that one. So that's number 8. So I'll be back with number 9 very soon.